You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to save any file or document as a PDF on your iPhone. The easiest method uses the built-in print function. Open the file you want to save, like a note, web page, or email. Tap the share icon, which looks like a box with an arrow pointing up. In the share sheet, scroll through the row of icons and tap print. If you don't see print, swipe left on the icon row to find more options. In the print preview screen, use 2 fingers to zoom in on the preview or simply pinch out. This action will convert the print preview into a PDF view. Now tap the share icon again in the top right corner of this new screen. You can now save the PDF to your Files app by selecting Save to Files or send it via email or messages. For documents in the Files app, like a Word file, open the file, tap the share icon and select Print, then follow the same pinch to PDF method. For photos, open an image, tap Share and select Print, then zoom on the preview. This universal trick works in most apps that support printing and is the fastest way to create a PDF without extra apps. For more simple iPhone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.